Welcome to A to Z ERP training. In this session, we will walk through the complete functionality and business problem of A to Z ERP stock listing page available in inventory management module. As you can see on your screen, first of all, let's talk about the stats over the stock listing page. You can see the total number of items, stock quantity, total cost price, sale price, low stock item, reorder level, and out of stock item. So in the right below to this, you can see some sort of ready to use filters. By clicking on these filters, system will fetch the data of the respective filters. Like I have just applied the low stock article and system has shown me the low stock articles. If I ask the system to show me all products available in our inventory module, then it will be listed, and still you can see the low stock item background color is seen as white. The low stock item background color is seen as red, while the other item backgrounds, which the other items quantity, the item which has complete quantity and doesn't reach to lower level, has white background. So this is about listing. Further, you can also apply the advanced filters by warehouse, by category, by subcategory, by a group, item, brand, status, and even you can also search this SKU number, item name, barcode, etc. This is a very rich page of our stock, of our inventory management system. So what you can do here, you can just click on the eye icon to view the item details. But before this, let's discuss this, how many ways you can see the stock listing. Here you can see the list view. If you click on this icon, the item listing will be changed like this. And if you click on tabular view, then the item will be shown as the tabular view. Further, you have also features to view the item in the card as a grid view, and whatever the view you like, system will show you the item in the exact way. So here is also the pagination, number of items are visible on a single page. You can also change the item visibility number as well. So let's again head to the tabular view so that I can explain all of the features of this page. So here, if you click on eye icon, then you can view the entire product details, like total variants of this product, total stock articles, and average cost price, average sale price. This inventory management system is totally a FIFO based system, so you do not need to worry about the costing, about the quantity, about the purchase orders. Each and everything is already being managed in the system. So this is the item view page. If any item has any number of article will be listed over here. Article, you can also say the article as a variant. So here you can see the total available variants is 6, and total stock pieces are 561, and so on and so forth. You can see all of the calculations of this product. Let's back to a stock listing page. Further, you can also change the status of any item, like this line of item is currently in stock. If you change the status, you can make it out of stock, and you cannot sell the out of stock items as well. You can also delete any article data. We are not listing here the products because the sale is going to be done by the articles. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you get the idea that how our stock listing page is working.